This track is called Do We Wanna Love?
Baby, that yes, I've been shady. I don't know how to explain it. It's just something that's been going on, and I've been taking it out on you. I'm sorry, boo. These days I should be named Miss Confused. One day you call me, said you love me, we have this great conversation, and then the next day we fighting about the dumbest situation. I can't keep doing this, baby. We need to figure out something, 'cause I feel love slipping away. Do we wanna love, or do we want to live in this place? 'Cause don't see how we're better than else again. Can't go on this way. Won't live this life anymore. Time to spread my wings and soar. I've been trying to tell you that there's things you say and do that make me feel it all you want. And it's a fool, and then you change your ways and simply say that you'll do anything you can for me. Never leave me lonely, always keep me happy, happy. So hard to remember last time we were lovers. I feel that memory of what we used to be made it easy to go on in this misery. I no longer know what we should be, but I know it ain't this, honey. Do we want love? Do we want love? Or do we want to live in this place? 'Cause I don't see how we're better than else again. Can't go on this way. Won't live this life anymore. Time to spread my wings and soar. I'm telling you that I can only do so much without you here to let me know that you truly care. And I know that it's there for me.